Hey, welcome to another episode of geekoutdoors.com. So if you're just starting out on YouTube, there are certain things that you should not do. And so today I'm going to be going over the top 3 things that you must avoid or else. And so the first thing that you want to avoid is doing sub for sub. So if you're not familiar with sub for sub is, somebody comes to your channel, they go in your comment section and say, hey, if you subscribe to my channel, then I'll subscribe back to you. And a lot of times people are aware that this is something they shouldn't do. Say they don't say sub for sub. They might use some other term, but it doesn't matter. At the end of the day, you're actually trading subs for subs. And that is something that is artificial. And that's something that could actually get your channel terminated. Because if you are gaining subscribers through artificial means, such as purchasing, or in this case, doing sub for sub, Google will catch that. YouTube's algorithms is extremely smart and it keeps getting better every day. So even if you did sub for sub and you didn't say you sub for sub, YouTube knows where you got that subscriber from. And also YouTube knows how long your videos are being watched, where it's being watched from. And so you definitely don't want to do that, although it is very tempting. So that's the very first thing. The second thing is related to this, and that is buying subscribers or views. Now, this is a practice that is still popular to this day, although not as popular as before, but it still happens. You know, you could go to places like Fiverr and they won't say they'll buy you subscribers and views, but what they will say is they'll post your video on 2,500 websites. They'll get you real subscribers, and none of these things work. And I have tested this out before, and you do get a spike in views and sometimes subscribers, but the thing is YouTube catches that, and for the long term you're actually going to be hurting your channel. And just as I stated earlier right here, this violates YouTube's policies and your accounts could get closed. For fast website hosting and top-notch customer service and features, check out Siteground, the preferred service used at geekoutdoors.com. For more information, check out the affiliate link in the description area below. And so if that didn't really set in for you, just understand that if you are planning to do this, then you could risk ending your YouTube career really early on. Now, I completely understand the need to want to get more subscribers and views, but honestly, if you want to do this for the long term, just do it the right way. Now, my channel is still a small channel. I have 6,000 subscribers and I don't get that many views, but I even have a smaller channel with 100 some subscribers and less views, but sometimes more views. And so I completely understand if you feel like you want to grow faster, but honestly, just go ahead and do the work. Learn what you need to, and it will benefit you for the long term. And most importantly, you're actually going to be building a community with real subscribers and real people who actually like the content you create, who come back and watch your videos and recommend it to other people. So those first 2 things, avoid sub for sub, don't buy subscribers and views. And so the final thing you definitely want to avoid is comparing your channel to other YouTube channels, especially if they started around the same time you did and now they're growing faster. If you actually do this, it's going to really affect your ability to create content. And at the same time, it might even cause you to get into a state of depression because you're not growing as fast as someone else. And so what I like to do is, if you see other channels that are more successful to you, that are growing faster, instead of like comparing yourself, be inspired by it. Go look and see how they're actually doing things. That's going to be a lot better, and at the same time, you'll get better as a YouTube content creator as well. And also, you'll be able to focus on you and the type of content you create for your community and your audience, because that is the most important thing. Because at the end of the day, you could always try to copy someone else, but you'll never be them, and vice versa, they'll never be you. And so I highly recommend that you don't compare yourself to others. Instead, learn from them and be inspired by their success. So that is it for my top 3 things that you must avoid as a new YouTuber, or just as a YouTuber in general. And if you do decide to go ahead and do these type of things, then, well, just look forward to not having a YouTube career. And so if you actually had any further thoughts on this, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And if you did want to see my entire YouTube journey playlist, I will also leave that in the description area as well. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Gold Content Creators group where you'll get access to 30 videos plus additional content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Gold Content Creators group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for checking out this episode. And as always, if you like these videos, be sure to click on the subscribe button. And for full written content, audio content, and additional geek stuff, head over to geekoutdoors.com, and I'll see you outdoors on the very next episode.